Hello, my name is Shawn Wright. I really appreciate you taking your time to view my tour. 361 River Bend Country Club Road. This stately home is nestled on 1.1 acres on the 7th tee box of the River Bend Country Club golf course. This home was built by a builder for he and his family. Amazing custom trim work throughout home. His and her studies, a bar, a billiards room that includes the pool table, formal living room, den, piano lounge, 5 bedrooms, 5 full baths, 2 half baths, approximately 7,500 square feet, and a short 1-hour commute to Nashville, Brentwood, or Franklin.